la presión de certificar un boleto a una final de Copa que no juega desde el 2013.
Campeonato Nacional de Liga, sin duda alguna, la sensación de los rojiblancos es que este es el campeonato.
Con la recepción a todos los matices de una recepción para partido especial.
Barcelona with all of the heavyweights. Could it be the last game for Antoine Griezmann? Lots of stories circulating. They may be heading to the MLS. Well, they had a confidence-building success at the weekend against Villarreal. Fermin follows the line of the six, headed away.
Barcelona have to be careful. Yes, they will play with passion, enthusiasm, but they've also got to play with their heads as well.
Pedri back in the heart of midfield. Cancelo, it's a great ball. Little teaser for Rafi.
Cancelo to start with.
It is the full force of Barcelona right from the start. Barcelona plays dotted around the area. Atletico choosing to try to play pure football from the back, but it gets them into trouble. Cancelo picks it up. No, went down a little bit easily. Yamal didn't join the chorus. Cardoso. Anchko clears. It'll be an achievement at the moment for Atletico.
Did that brilliantly against Club Brugge.
Cancelo. Their hand to win 6-1. Here they go, it's Rafinha. Not the best since Hansi Flick took over. 100 games before tonight. Kunde was his most. Cuts it across the face of goal, slipping and sliding from the Athletic defenders. Rafinha pulled his shot on his less favoured right foot.
I'm not quite sure what Simeone was doing here. He tried the cutback with
Yamal. Bernat, easy save, but it'll be a confidence-building save for the role tonight, is it? Supporting act. Pedri trying to fight. It's a clever ball to Torres. Ooh. Ferran Torres peeled away from his. Koke. Oh, it's a good ball. Giuliano. Simeone. Oh, it's a poor first touch. Let him down after he ghosted it. From touchline to touchline they go. They finally get some space. Martin flies it. Sure that Alvarez is the best player to be catering for him. He gets the cross in. And it falls again to Torres, who's had 2 chances in the opening quarter of this game.
Yeah, good play from Yamal. Drop. Every chance of picking up the knockdowns.
Big noise from the Barcelona supporters as the players click through their gears, but they're now Balde. Lamine again. Rafinha. Martin. Headed away by Pubil. They're getting the chances, Stuart.
Yeah, she said pushed it down into a fairly safe area.
Kubasi's cross. Rafinha, Anthony. Yamal, that signature outside of the foot pass. Torres battling for the ball, bullied off it by Pubil. Miscontrol by first attack for Atletico Madrid. Balls to Griezmann, steadies himself.
Deep he's going, Simeone.
Goalkeeper's ball again. Comfortable take for Juan Musa. What a big chance that was for Antoine Griezmann. Is instant. Yamal, clever trick, deceives the defenders. Oh, they've let down the anchor. Bernal. The teenager gives Barcelona hope. Is it the first step towards an incredible comeback?
Well, not good defending from Atleti. Goes past it.
It's been helped on his way. The referee could have been closer to the incident. And he saw that as a foul, which is not going to go down well. Here they go, brilliant ball. Oh, and that needed to be a precise, almost surgical tackle from Pubis. Bernal has the height advantage. Llorente gets no distance on his head. A little Cancelo hoists it to the far post. Rafinha is there.
Great delivery from Cancelo. Should have done that about 30 seconds earlier.
Here's Pedri. Calls kindly for Fermin Lopez. Rattles off the shins because there are no...
Quickly.
Lamine Yamal sees something. He saw Fermin Lopez. Superb from Lamine Yamal. Drives into the area. They have to be very careful not to catch him when he's in full flight. No crack the code. Here is Griezmann. Oof, rattles the post and almost broke the hearts of Barcelona. May have... Cancelo.
Another come into the box.
Tay is the backup. It's a nice touch. Giuliano Simeone makes space for himself. Lamine Yamal is the option, but sometimes greed is seen as a virtue. Down there, Diego willing his son on. He passes to Llorente, good ball in. Oh, and another escape for Barcelona as Lookman up. Pedri steps over it. Pedri continues the run. Pedri goes down. Penalty for Pedri.
The player has every right just to roll it in the net.
A huge moment in this match. Captain Rafinha may have lit the fuse of the remontada. They're halfway there to tying it up on aggregate against Atletico Madrid.
Very composed penalty. There's the leg left out.
During the break. Atletico hurting to get in. Made a great run. Pedri to Gerard Martin. Rafinha's pace has been a nuisance. Llorente. Lamine Yamal head down. Lamine Yamal on a mission. It was a dangerous tackle that from Hansko. Take the sting out of the game, trying to quieten the crowd. Llorente. Griezmann steals. Alvarez, and a huge leap from Joan Garcia. The Camp Nou. Rafinha puts it into that danger area. Boxed away by Musso. Ferran Torres. Oh, again a risky, very strong challenge. Rafinha. Who will
in the first half.
Ball is hung to the far post. Ferran Torres. Does he stick a twist the defender? He loses out. Lamine Yamal. Musso. Huge. Full might put into that shot. Forced to Bernal. Oh, brilliant double save from Musso. May not have counted, but he wasn't to
get around the pitch. Still a very good player.
Yeah, just shown Cancelo. Improvises. Puts too much on his cross. Did that catch the fringe of Atletico Madrid? Putting the frighteners on Barca. Alvarez, Solot. Lamine Yamal doesn't make the tackle. His new midfield position. Shoot is the demand from the travelling supporters. And it was a poor shot from Molina.
He's coming off. His number went up. Seems to be quite sure what formation they're playing or what role would Pedri play for.
Rashford's cross. Awkward header. Barca corner. Cancelo's cross is a good one. And a goal-scoring touch. It may be on for Barcelona.
Well, what a great cross it was. And Bernal coming in at the far post.
His second of the night. The wonder kid. How nervous are you now? Diego Simeone. Atletico. Ideas to that far side of the field. Gets his cross in as well. What a miss. Skied. Comes awkwardly onto the head. Now Lamine Yamal. Pleading for what they call in the game a soft penalty. That's a he puts in a good cross. Excellent header away. Comes to Bernal in his mind. Rafinha, wizard skills. Rashford. Positions himself at the near post. Kubasi comes in at the far.